Right, welcome to a Friday vlog. I'm just currently sat on Ruthin Road, Denbigh, facing Denbigh, and well, just turn you around, you can see the snow on the sides here. The paths are still covered, but the roads are clear. But that's not the case in the countryside, indeed. And a lot of paths around here. I've had snow drifts. I've just passed some now 5 foot deep drifts, and I haven't seen that for many years. And some of the main roads are quite bad still. Not snowing at the moment. It's warmed up to -1, and more snow I think is forecast from 2 this afternoon all day and then through the night. So I don't know how much we'll have here or whatever, but you just have to take it as it comes. Anyway, I've got a couple of clips, different clips. I've got sort of wintry clips. Start off with this vlog. Obviously I got a couple of videos I took, video clips I took yesterday in work from a sort of a whiteout situation where it was just sort of coming down, the snow was coming down. Very nice to see, but not very nice to work in. Well, you know, unless you're careful or you know what you're doing. I got some. I was honoured enough to have a field fair, which is a winter visitor to this country, come in my garden this morning, eating the apples, and it's very because the blackbirds feed off it. It's very sort of territorial. Well, it's not territorial; it's not its territory. It's very sort of aggressive towards these blackbirds, and it's quite bossy. But it was an honour to see a beautiful bird. Some clips of that on here I'll put in this, and then I'm going to marinate my chicken for tomorrow's hot and spicy, which is organic chicken, far more expensive, but I'll see if the taste's worth it. And a dry rub of peri peri hot marinade. It's like a powder, you just shake it on, and I'll leave that overnight, and then the obligatory sun blushed, of course, and then that's it. So enjoy these few clips. I'll probably put some music to them or whatever, sort it out, and then I'll see you now tomorrow in the hot and spicy. So take care of yourselves wherever you are, and I'll see you then.